Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review these delicious Raisin Bran muffins. This recipe comes from the back of the box of Market Pantry Raisin Bran cereal from Target. This video is not sponsored, you guys. Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to need flour, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, milk. Any type of milk is fine. I'm assuming you can use almond milk if you're lactose intolerant. You're gonna need oil, egg, a banana, some brown sugar, and of course you will need some Raisin Bran. So for starters, I'm mixing up all of my dry ingredients, my flour, my brown sugar, my cinnamon, my salt, and baking powder. And I'm just going to mix that up to make sure that everything is combined. Now I'm going to stick with the instructions on the back of the box as far as mixing everything up. Next I'm going in and I'm adding in my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. If you guys make this recipe, be sure that you also preheat your oven to 375. Now I'm mixing everything up. I did over mix it just a little bit, but I don't know, you guys. I mean, I think it came out pretty well in the end, I can tell you that much. So I went in and I tasted it and it was good. Listen to my reaction. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's real good. So next, now you want to go in and you want to take your banana. Make sure that you're using a banana that is kind of overripe, because the more ripe, the sweeter it'll be. And you want to mash it up. You can use a spoon, fork, butter knife, it doesn't matter. Just mash it up, and you want to make sure that banana is nice and creamy. Next, you want to combine the banana as well as the cereal into the bowl, and you just want to stir it up. I'm pretty sure that there are other ways that this could have been mixed up, but I'm just going to stick strictly with the way that the instructions on the back of the box is telling me to mix it up, so that I can really give you guys my honest opinion on this recipe. And here's what it looks like once it's all mixed and combined. So now I have my little helper in the kitchen with me. So if you guys want to make this recipe, if you do not have muffin papers, you can just go in and you can use some oil and just oil up your muffin pan. So for this recipe, the milk that I also purchased from Target was by Good & Gather. If you go to the grocery store, the Good Name brand products are probably not going to be there. So I did have to use off-brand products like Good & Gather milk and Market Pantry cereal. But to my surprise, these products really tasted just like the name brand products. I really could not taste the difference in either the milk or the cereal. This recipe made 12 muffins, okay, you guys? So if you want your muffins to be on the thick side, then you know to use more batter. But if you want your muffins to be smaller, I don't know why you would want them to be smaller, but if you want them to be smaller and if you want to stretch this batter out and maybe get more muffins, then of course just use a little bit less. I baked this for 20 minutes on 375 degrees. As you can see, these muffins are done. They look so delicious. Me and my little helper, we're gonna plate this up, and I'm also gonna let her taste the muffin so that you can see my daughter's reaction. My daughter is a very picky eater, but she does love sweets, okay? And she's the type of child that she tells you exactly how she feels. She has no filter, you guys. So I'm gonna let her try these muffins, and I just want to see what she thinks about the muffins, because if she likes it, they are good. But they really were good because I like them too.
Thank you, Mommy.
How does it taste?
Good.
You like it? And she doing the dance. Okay, you guys, these muffins are kid approved, which means they are mother approved. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and go get you some Market Pantry cereal and go make you some muffins. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.